Hey guys, welcome back to Stay True TV. Pouring down outside, so I'm hoping this video footage will turn out alright. Won't be too muffled by the sound of rain. So if you were with us last video, we went and we put the head back on the motor and she's all looking sweet. So we've been waiting for the seal kit to come. Lo and behold, postman turned up this morning. So I'm hoping inside this package is our seals. Let's cut it open and see what's inside. Sweet as, we've got our seals, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to start on the seal that's been holding us up. Alright, next thing we're going to do, go and grab all the clutch hub, wash it out, get all the sand and stuff off from sandblasting, and we'll start putting that back together. Next thing we're going to do is take these rollers and compression rubbers, give them a bit of a wash, center pin, give them all a bit of a wash up, and then we'll come back and get it fitted up. Alright guys, we've gone and cleaned everything up. Got all our rollers nice looking clean, nuts, compression rubbers, everything's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead, grease everything back up, start putting this back together. Alright, let's head on through to the motor and get this thing fitted. Alright guys, so what we've got here, I've gone and grabbed 2 bolts and we're going to tighten them in. Hopefully that spreads the gap, drops the belt in a bit more, gives us a bit of free tension over here and allows us to keep moving. Alright guys, I've only spread the one, but it seems to be doing what I need it to do anyway, so that was dropped back in, so we should be able to get the other side of the clutch back on now. She's all tensioned up now. Now everything's sitting where it's supposed to be, so sweet. Let's go get the cage and get that on there. Before we go too much further, just realised, broken stud. Totally forgot about it. Let's try and get that thing out. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do here is going to go over the top of this plastic cover with some Scotch-Brite, and we're going to go rub it back with some prep wash and just give it a little layer of paint just to make it look a bit prettier. Alright, so I've gone ahead and scratched it all up. Now we'll chuck some paint on it. Leave that to dry overnight. Should dry off like a nice matte black. So we're going to call it there. We'll be back here tomorrow, get the casing sorted out, and have that side of the motor all sealed up, ready to go. What's up guys? It's the next day, so we're going to get into getting this case, get it mounted, back on the bike, and seal the clutch side cover up. Let's get into it. So we've got our cover here. It's been hanging overnight, painted, looking good. So we'll get it on down, take it out the back with the quote. Alright, first thing we're going to do, chuck the gasket back on. What I'm going to do is chuck a bit of gasket, go around the outside, seal it on, and then put it on the inside, bottom side of the gasket. So let's get to that. Alright, next thing, we've got our little grommet. Just goes in the bottom here. Get that in there. Like so. And then we've got our little plug. Done. Alright guys, so we're going to call that a wrap now for this video. So we've managed to achieve getting all the clutch system back together, side cover on, the whole clutch side is all sealed up and ready to roll. Looking sweet, starting to really come together now. So next video we'll continue on with the stator, get that all connected up, get all the selector pins in, get all our pipelines and stuff onto the cooling system. And then we'll probably start looking at getting back onto the hubs and the front end, get that all sorted and finished out, get the steering system back in, and maybe start and run some electrical. So if you're liking the video so far, don't forget like, subscribe, don't forget to set your notifications for future videos coming out, and we'll catch you next time.